Hello friends. Elgo len channel hin video zo si limna kain ball kedove. Ahong long ding June date 2026 ni khoting le Discipleship Theological Seminary College mona new academic season ki pan ki ding hitan koi tabang pathen thu a lung lut na le thanop na head ben na nei nom hon hi chi chan si thaso hin. Hiji Discipleship Theological Seminary accredited by Asia Theological Association hin Chorichanpur gamsung ke salbung wang ho a ahin tulai tai admission akyan jing lai hi pathen pat sa hi le season thalang te nga le Sirampol accredited noya ding hi tai hiji college munahin course hi zani akyom khenin khatchu course offer hin hiji chu extension course tin jong akhen hi ani na chu regular course ai hiji course dan athang pi hi iga le thei divin akhan na course offer ai lo le extension course hi certificate in theology simnading omen hiji kumkhat na simding ai ani na diploma in ministry hi jong hi kumkhat hi na simding qualification hi hiji diploma in ministry simnadinga CTF course zo sami na hi angai nei hiji date 1 agona date 6 2026 nga class ki panding ding hi ani na regular course hi English medium a jongmen thadau ku ki a jongmen hiji English medium a hi Master of Divinity kumthum aumen hiji BTS zo sahoin kumni asim theiding choteng ta le hiji a hi secular langa PA certificate na nei angai nei ani na dinga hen Bachelor of Theology hi jong hi kumthum a hin under ata noya ATA noya simding hochen secular langa 12 pass ai lawale 10 certificate choteng ta le diploma kumni zo saho asim the under Synod of Sirampol noya chu hi ale class 12 pass ai ke angai nei thadau ku ki a chu hi ale diploma in theology kumni hiji under ATA noya ding hi tulai ta admission form akyon jingla hi to thanin admission form available between 10 AM to 2 PM at the office choteng ta le form man hi rupees 200 heading hi last date of form submission hi 29 May 2026 choteng tal entrance exam ding hin hiji exam hi 3 June 2026 le ding hi first day of class hi 8 June 2026 le ki panding hi hiji muna college muna join hin bol hodinga phat hoi ta le thil hoi ta chu scholarship applied bol jing the hi scholarship available for deserving candidates hi choting jong le tu dim muna hiji college muna principal hi Reverend Dr. Pauzathang Singson academic dean Mistress Thimnei Moi Singson chaplain Reverend Seikhongam Haukip warden Reverend Seikhau Haukip assistant warden Mistress Tingdei Thai Thauvom Mistress Vanei Chong Haukip Mr. Kamnei Thang Singson practical ministry in charge evangelist Thienmang Singson amaho chang hi tu le tu a college muna mo po hin a college mo nga hin teaching staff hi mi somle mi nga ti hovel aumin adjunct faculties a hi mi li ti ho aumin non teaching staff a hi mi gop ti ho akisto na hi student mong member mi za hi 60 a hi lo le 70 something ti la hin college a hin hostel jong aumin hostel a nom ho jong thei imuna ko na pan sanom ho jong hi thei tho hi dining hall toilet bathroom playground chapel hall library chole adang dang jong kisu sela aumin hi hiji Discipleship Theological Seminary in making disciple the motto in amangin thagaw mangthaya lunghei na nei nom ai lovale thagaw hinho kisim phatnom ama ho tabang dinga hi chi hi college hin pan kila hin chuting ta le pathin thu zalo lai ho thagau mang thai ho hu do ding pathin thu phun zal ding thagau mang thai ho hu do ding apan thei to ma la ding hi chi skolin atup pi pen khat cho hi koi tabang lunglut na nei hon hi chi anoya contact number ki pi hi hin contact oven lang hin zonon